Fortify 2025, in Christ we thrive. Pero ano nga ba ibig sabihin nito? What does it mean to fortify? A fort is a strong building or place designed to protect it from attacks. It's like these walls of Jericho. Meron siyang dalawang walls that would protect the city. At napaka-thick nung walls that would surround the city. So hindi ka basta-basta makakapasok. Merong outer perimeter wall that would protect the city, and then there is that interior perimeter wall that protected the city as well. Hindi po siya basta-basta mapapasok. So Jericho was being protected, fortified, strengthened by the walls. Hindi lamang po ang syudad nangangailangan ng fortification. Kahit tayo, kailangan din po natin ng fortification. Mahalagang maunawaan natin that we need to fortify our bodies. Ang paalala ko po sa inyong lahat, the time to fortify yourself is now. The time to strengthen yourself is now. Huwag niyo na pong hintayin na humina ang inyong pakangatawan. Huwag niyo na pong hintayin na kayo'y mag-41 years old before you start thinking of fortifying yourselves. Don't wait for you to start seeing your body degenerate, for you to start even thinking, ngayon dapat ako mag-fortify. That your church will continue to fortify herself. But more than the church herself, my prayer is that all of you individually will seek to fortify yourself in your faith and in the Lord.